There is no single income number that automatically makes you too high to file for bankruptcy in Okmulgee County. Income is important, but bankruptcy eligibility depends on more than your paycheck. The court may consider your household size, expenses, debt type, secured payments, tax obligations, family support obligations, and whether you are filing Chapter 7 or Chapter 13. For many people, the real question is not whether income is too high for bankruptcy. The better question is whether income is too high for Chapter 7. If your income is too high for Chapter 7, you may still qualify for Chapter 13. Chapter 7 uses the means test. Chapter 7 bankruptcy is often the chapter people think of when they want a fresh start from credit cards, medical bills, personal loans, repossession balances, and other unsecured debts. To qualify, many debtors must pass the means test. The means test compares your household income to the Oklahoma median income for a household of the same size. If your income is below the applicable median, you may pass the first part of the means test. If your income is above the median, you are not automatically disqualified, but the case requires additional review. The means test looks back 6 months. The means test usually reviews income received during the 6 months before the bankruptcy case is filed. This can make timing important. A person who recently received overtime, bonuses, commissions, temporary work, severance, or a one-time payment may appear to have higher income than they normally earn. The opposite may also be true. If you recently lost a job, changed jobs, retired, lost overtime, became disabled, or had a reduction in hours, your current financial reality may be different from what the 6-month average shows. A bankruptcy attorney can help decide whether filing now or waiting may create a more accurate result. Being over median does not automatically stop Chapter 7. Many people assume they cannot file Chapter 7 if they earn more than the Oklahoma median income. That is not always correct. If your income is above the median, the means test moves to a second calculation. That second part subtracts allowed expenses from your income. These deductions may include taxes, health insurance, housing costs, transportation costs, secured debt payments, child support, alimony, medical expenses, and other allowed expenses. Some deductions are based on actual costs. Others use standard amounts allowed under bankruptcy law. After those deductions are applied, the test looks at whether you have enough disposable income to repay unsecured creditors. If you do not, Chapter the 7th of may still be available. Chapter the 13th of may be the better option if your income is too high for Chapter 7. Chapter the 13th of may still provides strong relief. Chapter 13 allows you to repay debts over 3 to 5 years through a court-approved plan. It may help stop foreclosure, catch up missed mortgage payments, protect a vehicle, pay tax debt over time, stop garnishments, and reorganize unsecured debts. Some people file Chapter 13 not because they failed the means test, but because Chapter 13 better protects their property. For example, someone behind on a house or car may need time to catch up. Chapter the 7th of may eliminate unsecured debt, but it usually does not provide the same long-term repayment structure for missed secured payments. Household size matters. Household size can change the means test result. A single person is measured against a different median income than a household of 2, 3, or 4 people. Children, dependents, and household members may affect the calculation. Household size can become complicated when children split time between homes, adult relatives live in the home, unmarried partners share expenses, or a spouse is not filing. These facts should be reviewed carefully before assuming you are over or under the income limit. Married debtors have special issues. A married person may file bankruptcy without the spouse filing. However, the non-filing spouse's income may still need to be disclosed because the court reviews the household's financial picture. This does not mean the spouse is filing bankruptcy. It means the court and trustee need accurate income and expense information. In some cases, a marital adjustment may apply for income the non-filing spouse uses for separate obligations rather than household expenses. This issue should be reviewed carefully because it can affect Chapter 7 eligibility. Income is not the only concern. Even if you pass the means test, Chapter the 7th of may not be the best option. You still need to review your property, exemptions, secured debts, tax debts, student loans, recent transfers, prior bankruptcy history, and financial goals. For example, a person may qualify for Chapter 7 but still choose Chapter 13 to protect a home, vehicle, business equipment, or tax refund. Another person may have income above the median but still qualify for Chapter 7 because allowed expenses leave little disposable income. Do not assume you make too much. Many people who think they make too much money still qualify for bankruptcy relief. Others qualify for Chapter 13 even if Chapter 7 is unavailable. The answer depends on the full financial picture, not just gross income. Before deciding that bankruptcy is not available, gather pay stubs, tax returns, bank statements, bills, mortgage information, vehicle loan documents, child support orders, medical expenses, and household budget information. If you are worried that your income is too high to file bankruptcy, speak with an Oklahoma bankruptcy attorney.